We're all coming together to meet this big challenge that XPRIZE has put in front of us to survey rainforests rapidly and then communicate those insights to the broader community.
The rainforest is really an extreme environment for our robots. First of all, it is extremely hot, it is extremely humid, and this causes, of course, a lot of problems with electronics. One of the main innovations that we brought to the competition is the probe that allows us to collect surface eDNA. So this probe is connected with a winch to a drone, and we can lower this probe deeply inside the canopy. With this movement, we swap environmental DNA from inside the canopy that is not accessible otherwise by other means. For us, it was very important to develop this probe in collaboration with the Zoo of Zurich that gave us access to the Masoala Rainforest Halle. And this was important because it really allowed us to access a vegetation which is very similar to what we found here in the rainforest in Singapore.
Research is a central role of the modern zoo. And this collaboration with the ETH is a wonderful example of how we can use the complex Masoala rainforest ecosystem as a basis for optimizing methods for navigating a rainforest with robots and drones, to collect eDNA samples in order to understand an ecosystem and how it works, and to better understand what we don't know about the biodiversity in the wild.